Welcome to OpenProfit lesson number 9. In this particular lesson, I'm going to be teaching you about where big profit hides in the details. Now, you are mixing up sales and marketing. What is marketing? Essentially, marketing is three things, right? Number one, it's research. That's identifying the needs of your consumer, not customer, of your consumer. Number two, it's developing innovative products that answer the questions, solve the problems and challenges of your consumer. Number three, it's about generating leads and prospects. So research, product development, and promotion are going to get you leads and prospects. Now, this is where sales comes in. Once the product is out in the market, you have to do the work of persuading the consumer to buy from you, because there's business X, Y, and Z all over the place doing the same thing. Your edge would be how you connect with those consumers and convert them into customers. And you do this through persuasion, and it's only in sales that persuasion comes in. Now, there's something that a lot of business people say to me. They say, oh, we really want to bump up our sales. No, you hear this type of language very often. And I say to them, number one, is your reach large enough? Because according to research, you're most likely and most easily going to convert 10 to 20% of your leads, your prospects, into sales. Most likely and most easily, 10 to 20%. Now, if you want to make sales of 1,000 units of your product or service, whatever it is that you sell, 1,000 units, it means that you must be targeting your marketing interaction at least 10,000 consumers. 10,000 consumers at least, to get a chance to be able to convert 1,000 of those people to sales. Second question I usually ask them, are you ready to spend money on marketing? Are you ready to spend money on targeted advertising, direct response marketing? Are you willing to get out there and see these people? Now, a lot of what you get today is online focused, and that's fantastic. But you see, if you want to build the business that brings big profit, turn consumers to customers who buy from you once and again and again and again, you have to build a relationship with these people. These are not just, a lot of African entrepreneurs are guilty of this. We see these people as commodities themselves, and that is so wrong, and that's why your market isn't connecting with you. You want to build your strategy in marketing to build relationships with these people. That's how to get them coming over and over and over again until you can make those big sales that you're looking at. Consumers are getting used to the different marketing systems that we have out there. They are getting overwhelmed by the amount of noise that they have to filter through to get one simple product that they need to solve their problem. What you need to do is not join the other brands out there shouting for attention, but build relationships. That's the way to get their attention, keep it, and get big profit out of your business. And you know something I've discovered? Some of the really fantastic opportunities that I have gotten, I didn't get them from trying to sell to any of my clients or customers. It was in the process of that connection, they just connected me to someone or an opportunity that was 10 times bigger, 50 times in some cases bigger than what they would have ever bought from me, even if they were buying every year for 5 years straight. So build relationships. I'll see you in the next video.